Surpass Enhanced Content subscriptions enhance your collection with additional content, such as book jacket images, professional reviews, awards and honors, and more. There are 2 different levels of Surpass Enhanced Content. Level 1 includes professional reviews, awards and honors, tables of contents, excerpts, profiles, author information, and access to more and better quality cover images. Level 2 includes all of that content and also series information and cover art for DVDs, Blu-rays, CDs, and other media. To show the Awards and Honors page in your public catalog, go to Settings, Public Catalog, General. Click the pencil to edit. Click on Main Menu Features and toggle the switch next to Awards and Honors. To show resource details, such as reviews, books in series, awards and honors information, and excerpts, scroll down to Resource Details, and then in the Detailed tab section, check off which details you would like to show in the Detailed tab for resources in the online catalog. Surpass Enhanced Content subscriptions add cover images from ProQuest, which has a much more extensive collection of images than the free sources included with your base Surpass Cloud subscription, which are Google Books and Open Library. Thousands of images that aren't found in those free services can be found via Enhanced Content. Enhanced Content Level 2 also includes cover images for CDs, DVDs, and other media. The Awards and Honors features in Surpass Cloud OPAC allow patrons to search for books that have won awards and honors and to see which awards and honors have been bestowed on titles they have found while searching the catalog. In Settings, Public Catalog, Awards and Honors, you can select which awards and honors you want to make available in the public catalog and how you want them presented. Awards and honors include the Newbery Award, the Pulitzer Prize, and other awards. In the OPAC, on the Awards and Honors page, you can see a list of the awards and honors you have chosen to show on that page, and click on an award or honor to see a description of it, or to see the list of awards. If you click on a date in the Other Years section of the Awards and Honors page, you will see recipients of awards and honors for that year. If you click on a resource in the OPAC and then click the Awards tab, you can see a list of the awards and honors for that title. Tables of contents are another feature available for some titles in both Level 1 and Level 2 of Enhanced Content. Professional reviews are included in both Levels 1 and 2 of Enhanced Content. These come from sources like Booklist, School Library Journal, etc. Author notes give a short biography of the author. And profiles give you more information about characters, genres, etc. Excerpts, or sample chapters, are also included for some items. In Enhanced Content Level 2, resource detail in the OPAC also includes series information. If you have any questions about Surpass Enhanced Content, or if you'd like to add it to your subscription, please let us know, and we'll be happy to help.